you guys? It's Geno from the GenoAndNeishaplus1 YouTube channel. Today what I got for you guys is an unboxing. I know I'm not really hyped like I usually be because I'm like very tired. I just got off work and school at the same time, and I haven't had no sleep. But I'm sorry we haven't been posting lately. We promised to get back on our stuff. We promised to get back on our grind. But for today, I know Anisha posted a video yesterday of Zende running from bubbles, and which is funny because it's very funny to me, and you guys need to go check it out. It is on our page, it's on our channel, it's on Instagram, it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, it's on my Snap, it's on our TikTok, and everything has the same name, GenoAndNeishaplus1, or either GenoAndNeishaplus1. Again, like I said, today I have an unboxing for you guys. I just got it in the mail. The UPS man just dropped it off to me. Background story: I am a big weapons collector as far as knives and swords and stuff. I've been collecting since I was like 10. And today, what I got for you guys is from Tactical Masters. I don't know if y'all can see that name or not. It's Tactical Masters. I had ordered it offline. I know it's the stereotypical thing here, but basically, if you get like stainless steel, you'll be pretty good. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll see what is in the box. And we'll see what's going on with it. So I'm gonna open it now. Yeah. But as you guys see, they got the Tactical Masters stamp on it. They got a latch so you can strap it around your shoulder, around your belt, wherever you want to keep it at. But yeah, I had found these online, and it was some gold, like machete, full tang sword, and this is the length of it. Pretty nice. Very sharp. It comes with two. But yeah, as you can see, it comes in the sheath. The sheath is like Tactical Masters. Which you got two blades. Of course, like I said, I'm a big weapons collector. These are not for play. These are not toys. Not for you to get your kids. It's not for anybody to play with. I am a collector, and I've been, like I said, collecting since I was 10. I know that stereotyping that I said it's not for kids, but I'm from the country, so I know what I'm doing with a knife. But yeah, so hot, y'all can see side. If I hold them down, my arm, they got it on my leg. They're not heavy, they're real light. They got a good grip on them. It's like they got some type of nylon rope around it at the bottom, but it got a good grip on it. It's real lightweight. Flip them in and out, handle them whichever way you want to. But basically, like I said, for me, these is collection. If I have to use them, I use them. But these is for a collection that I have that I'm building up. But yeah, you can use them as two separate ones. You can put them together like this, and you can use them as one full spread them apart, of course, use them separately. But yeah, they're pretty sharp, so like I said, be careful. Do not have these around your kids. Then they would definitely not be touching these. Have them locked up. I have them locked up. I have them far away from him. Actually, he's not even in the room or nowhere close near to me where he can run up on me of anything, nothing like that to even touch these. But yeah, if you're a weapons collector, a knife collector, a sword collector like me, Tactical Master is the way to go, especially with the gold trim or the gold color variation. They did have more like red, black, which is like the basic color, or you can get your regular silver, which I know y'all say, like I said, the color, y'all say it's like makes the knife weak, but as you see, it's not bending or anything like that. So they're pretty durable, pretty lightweight, and that's really it. I mean, if you want to order, like I said, it's from Tactical Masters, and I got it off Amazon. But yeah, and I only paid maybe $50, $60 for these. They're pretty durable. But like I said, it's just for collection. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. This is GenoAndNeishaplus1 family channel. Like I said, these not for kids, so don't get them for your kids. Do not let your kids buy these. It states in the disclaimer that you have to be 21 or older to order it, so parents, or let them watch the video, but don't let them watch it. But I think I'm gonna have pretty much like real fun with it. So that's the end of the video, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram, Facebook at GenoAndNeishaplus1. Follow us on, or subscribe to us on YouTube, like, comment at GenoAndNeishaplus1 or Williams family. Thank you for watching again. I'm Geno, and I'm out.